Greetings and salutations. My name is Tish and welcome to the Artist Haven. In today's video, I am going to be doing a Dutch pour using glow-in-the-dark paint mixed with mix pouring medium. I have my paints all ready, so let's get down to it. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour on a 12 by 24 canvas. I'm going to be using my Dutch pour base paint in white, which is just flow acrylic, Floetrol glue, and a wee bit of water. I've mixed up all of my colors, which include the Folk Art Glow Neutral, the Glow Orange, the Glow Pink, and then I mixed up my own concoction of Liquitex Basics, Quinacridone Magenta, and Fluorescent Blue to make this lovely purple. And then we have Glow Yellow, Glow in the Dark Green, and then of course I gotta add a little bling, so we're gonna be using Deco Art Metallics. Alright, so we're gonna lay down the white first, and I'll lay in the colors. Start off with the gold, work my way over, and then I'm going to put a little bit more gold on top of the orange. And I'm going to torch this real quick. Alright, and we're going to take the big hair dryer first, and if we need to, we'll come back with the little guy. We get the base of it down. And then I like to come in and hit a couple of key elements with the little miniature leaf blower. Let me go in one couple of spots here with my super fancy tool. This is just a plastic knitting needle from the Dollar Tree. going to do one little torch over the top of it because I do see a few air bubbles. And just for poops and giggles, we're gonna turn off the studio lights. All the lights are off. I do have a window in here, so I can't get completely dark, but let's see what happens. Oh my goodness gracious. I don't know if y'all can see that. I will zoom in. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that's so cool. It's beautiful to begin with, and then you put it under black light and it's magic. So I will put dried results and a blacklight picture and a glow-in-the-dark picture. We'll see what happens on the community tab. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe so you can catch all our posts on our community tab and all our live streams and all our edited content. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate you. Remember, be kind to one another. Peace, love, and happiness.